I want to do a special episode with Jolene today. We're rolling into our fall book series, and I have brought Jolene on to explore one of her passions and her books. First off, Women in Agriculture being the passion, and her book, Holy Crap, I Married a Farmer. And you know, I own the book, I've read the book twice now, and I chuckle because holy crap, I married a farmer. And those lessons in that book just resonate. So that's a little bit about Jolene. Welcome again to you, Jolene, and I'm excited to dive in.
Thank you. You know, I'm just tickled to feature the women in agriculture during this segment. So many times we get focused on the production, which we also need, by the way, but it's the people that make the difference. And what I find for my sisters in agriculture is we don't always have a lot of resources, people to laugh with or commiserate with, people to celebrate with, people to cry with. And I think we need each other very much. And that's why we wrote, Holy Crap, I Married a Farmer.